Hello everyone, I'm back. It is your student teacher DJ. So our topic for today, solving quadratic equation. So first, we have a formula. Yung formula natin is negative 5 plus negative square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, ito yung ating quadratic equation. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. So, yung 2 is A, ang 3x B, and negative 2 is C. So, first, negative 3, yan yung ating B. Plus ang negative square root 2, 3 squared, at minus natin is 4. Yung A is 2 times negative 2 over so yan yung atin yung distribute or substitute. So 2A, yung A is 2, substitute natin 2. So, ngayon, solve natin. So, negative 3 plus negative square root of, so 3 times 3 equals to 9. So, negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4, times negative 4 times negative 4 equals positive 16. Over 2, positive 4, 2 times 2, positive 4, equals to negative 3, positive, and negative square root of 25 over 4 equals to negative 3, positive and negative, square root of 25 is 5 over 4. So, sa kabila naman is negative 3 minus negative 5 over positive 4. X equals to, so 2 over 4. Sa kabila naman, divide natin ng 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1, and 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So, ang sagot ng isang x is 1/2. Sa kabila naman, negative 3 minus 5 equals to negative 8 over 4. So, divide natin yan ng 2 ulit. So, negative 8 divided by 2 equals negative 4 over 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So, yan yung sagot natin sa isang x. So, masimplify pa natin yan. So, negative 4 divided by 2 equals negative 2. Yan yung sagot. Maraming salamat.